Like size 7s actually, but you know she's tried them on before, and yeah, size 8. She's like, bloody hell, he's only just bigger than me, isn't he? Yeah, but it is what it is. Okay.
Yeah.
I think. Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Okay.
Switch off.
Then we proceed to the back of the vehicle. Turn the low.
Not look. Not back in front.
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 So to put front. Okay. So turn the low voltage isolated switch 90 degree to the isolated position of vertical. Should be vertical clock.
Okay.
Counterclockwise. Alright.
Down. Right down.
Then we remove the negative 24 volt terminal and install a padlock locking device to the terminal.
Negative. Black there. The black one. You must remove. Spun off.
Yeah.
So we'll leave a nice spanner there for you as well.
It's convenient, that isn't it? Is it a snap-on one as well? I'll tell you what, that's wrong.
I think wrong.
Yeah.
Ian, I think we need the padlock.
Yep, in the toolbox at the back.
At the
In
back.
that little little black box thingy. You'll need to drop the charge of that box. Now just switch it off, mate.
Student oriented.
Ni kat sini, dalam ni. Nak rakam ni bagi Fahmi tengok. Aku rasa kunci ni yang kena. Okey, tak silap. Bagi.
You've got these guys running around fetching used tools and stuff as well. You slack git.
Thank you. Practice. So,
Okay.
Then we have to lock
The negative terminal
negative terminal
to avoid unintended.
to prevent reconnection.
Yang ni atas ni.
Cover tu.
Cover.
Dah?
Berapa cover? Cover. Ada tak?
Put the temporary cover.
has it got a protective cap for the negative?
Okay, put the cover. Alright, cover. Okay. That's nice.
Done. Okay, at the back, go. Jadi. This one kena ni lah.
The left hand circuit box to the off position. Into 0.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, done.
You set the multimeter to VDC.
Yes, get 3 1000.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So, is that all category 3 as well? You don't know? Why not? Tell me, is it category 3?
This one.
1000 volts. Category 3.
Okay, now I'm going to show you something different here. Because bear in mind, these come off. Okay? Is that a category 3 lead? You've got to check
Yeah.
all of your equipment. Okay? If they're a category 2 lead on a category 3 meter, that's now a category 2 meter. Make sense? The meter and the tools are only as good as the weakest link. So if you've got some Cat 2 information or Cat 2 equipment connected to that, multimeter's a waste of money.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yep.
Yeah? Now, okay, so just start that for me a second. Cat 2 or Cat 3? Category 2 or Category 3?
Cat 3.
Sure?
Cat 2.
Cat 2.
Cat 2.
Cat 2.
Let me focus it. This one Cat 3.
Is it?
Yep.
Sure?
Yep. This one Cat 2.
Cat 2. Now it says Cat 2 1000 volt, and then we got Cat 3 1000 volt.
So which is it?
So the weakest. Yeah, no.
Okay. So it's confused, isn't it?
Yeah, confused.
Yeah, very confusing. Because this does say, okay, it says 1000 volts, category 2, 10 amp.
10 amp.
10 amps,
Okay.
1000 volts. That's
Okay.
the maximum current flow
Alright.
at category 2. But inside that little box, excuse my glasses, it says 1000 volts, category 3, 600 volts, category 4. Okay? So, guess what? That's a multiple category tool. How do I make it a multiple category tool? Like that. That is now a category 2 probe. That is now a category 3 probe. Category 2, category 3. Okay? The more insulation, the higher the category. Okay? Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
So don't go getting yourselves these multimeter probes that are like that because it says category 4 on them or category 3 on them, because it probably isn't unless you've got the covers.
Wow.
Make sense?
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay? So I'd say that was category 3, Tom, so I'm going to allow you to use them.
Thank you.
And it's red to black, black to red, alright?
Now, today is
Okay, we need to make sure this multimeter can check the
DC.
DC
I think you
voltage.
put the battery.
Ada.
Ada.
Okay.
Dah hidup.
Dah. Memang hidup, tapi nak kena test.
Test.
Dia dapat tak 9 volt?
9 volt. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, working.
Alright.
So this multimeter is working.
So, why have you done that?
To check whether you can get the actual, the correct voltage here.
Okay, but why?
Check whether this okay or not.
I don't check this, then I go there and check the voltage. Maybe I can get wrong.
Spot on. It's beautiful. Spot on. I tend to call it as 3 things. Known,
Non good battery.
unknown,
Unknown.
known. Because you're checking the multimeter's working and correct operation. Then when you go to the vehicle, you should be able to go, okay. But then when you come back here, you're rechecking the multimeter to make sure that you can trust what you've read here. Make sense?
Alright.
Yeah? Happy with that?
Yeah.
Known, unknown, known. Simply because I want to make sure when I work with 600 volts and this machine, this paperwork tells me to take my gloves off, that I'm not going to get electrocuted. Because that is probably the most important piece of kit you will ever have in your hands. Especially with high voltage vehicles.
Okay.
Make sense?
Alright.
You've got to trust it. If you don't trust it, what's the point? Make sense?
Yep.
Happy with that, Tom? Yeah? Okay, what's next, guys? Actually, I'll tell you what, let's go around that side because it's a little bit easier to see. If I grab that torch from the other side. So, Tom, you're going to undo a plug for me in a moment. Okay.
Some gloves.
Why? Why is it not said put gloves on yet?
Low voltage.
It's low voltage. It's not orange. It's a black plug. Did you put gloves on to disconnect the negative lead?
No.
Do you need gloves to unplug this? Low voltage. Yeah. So, if you look in the middle, if you look in the door, you can see straight over the top, and you can see the plugs quite easily. Okay. So from here, sorry.
Right.
It's that plug there.
So even though it's surrounded by the high voltage stuff.
However, what else might be in that plug? Tell me how you've shut the vehicle down so far. So how have you shut the vehicle down so far? What happens when I turn the ignition off?
To prevent the
What happens? What's the vehicle doing when I turn the ignition off? Because that's the first thing I do, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah? So what's that doing? Is that your phone?
Yeah.
That's right. So what's the vehicle doing?
Shutting down.
So what's happening here?
No current flow.
No current from battery.
Okay. So what's happening here? The battery ECU or the ESS ECU has already gone, hello Mr. Engine, are you switching off? I've lost ignition feed. Yes, I am. Hello Mr. Transmission, have you lost an ignition feed? Because I'm switching off. Yes, I have. Suspension, have you?
Yes.
Vehicle ECU, have you? And when it all comes back with yes, what does the battery ECU then do?
Switch off the contactor.
It open circuits the contactors. Yeah? How long is it going to take you to unplug that plug?
Instantly.
5 seconds.
Fucking if it takes 5 seconds, dude, you need another job. But what I'm trying to get What I'm trying to get at is and right-hand batteries. So guess what? There's another one exactly the same one. Yeah, just twist, forwards.
Class.
Class 0. Class 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, happy? Cool. Okay, a little bit. Because what does it tell you to do next? Put in this. If you just do that, that will blow the. Hold it like that. Make sense? Okay. Make sense? So then you're going to dump. Okay. Go on. Bubbles.
No.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to hang that over that board there or something. Yeah. I feel free to use the blue bowl. I've got shit there.
Sit down a little. Right hand twist to what happened to
Which
the
one?
left.
Which one? There we go. See? There we go. Happy?
Okay, check.
Yeah.
For residual, using the multimeter. This.
Couldn't do that twice, could you?
Nope.
Got open. See the big ECU on the door? Before you go any further, Tom, okay, you're 2.5 away from everybody. Yeah?
Okay.
Now, 100 volts. Sheer panic. Get in there.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be anywhere near him, and it's me. Yeah? Nowhere. I'm going to go for that one, aren't I? If he gets it like that. You've got to make sure when somebody away from the box, they can show you the pic, and then you're going to test. Then when you come away from the box,
Yeah.
you guys do not want to be is
0.
safe.
Yeah.
Make sense? Yeah. See the red terminals and the black terminals? Positive to negative. Which one would be positive? Which one would be negative? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're going to go positive to negative, and you learn them now, Tom.
0.
Zero.
Do the other side.
What other side?
13 apa? Oh.
Alright, I'll show you all when we know that's dead.
Alright.
I promise. Go from positive to ground.
Yeah.
Take it out, mate. Happy?
Yep.
Yeah. So what's next?
Yeah.
0?
0. Yeah.
Happy?
Measurement between the HV terminals.
Yeah.
Before above volt DC, but you found it
You found zero, doesn't it? Make sense? Yep. Yeah?
Yeah.
9.
Alright. I'll show you on this one first. Yeah, there's a button, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
The button's missing. They're shit, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, with that one, to plug and pull it off. Make sense?
So you know if you found that change in the case.
Oh, hell yes. Because that... Yeah?
Yeah.
Got it? And then chuck it out the side of the bus. That's it. Spot on. Happy with that? Yes?
Yep. Yes.
All good?
This one, the spring one.
Let me get my finger there. I can't find it. Hang on.
All right.
Yeah?
Okay.
And the button's actually missing on that particular plug.
All right. Is it possible that we measure the battery voltage there?
Why? Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't want that, do I? I want it dead. On those trains, Tom,
Yeah.
you'll have seen them.
Obviously we only get the axles then.
Yeah. But on the trains, when you haven't,
Oh, this thing.
there, lock it. Because guess what? If you put that there like that, pull that down, now try and undo it. Or justify voltage. But if I put all three in there, untwist it. Okay. Strings.
Yeah, stop.
So you can try and pull it. Understand why I'm getting you to do it in threes then? Yeah? Do you see what I mean about trusting your equipment? Good, but I still want to see zeros because he's going to go, yeah, I don't feel like it today. So what's this bit bolted to? Bolted conductor, isn't it? Can I bolt that directly to that metal box?
No.
Touch that,
The metal
don't
box. Yeah.
we? Yeah? Yep. That's a good idea, isn't it? Let's have a go at that, shall we? I'm impressed. That people is nothing wrong with a bit of good housekeeping. He says I will put it on.
Yep.
So basically what this is, alright, this is, Tom, alright, because when I press this button, alright, but guess what? Look at that.
Milli.
Fuck all. You'll feel it. We used to do this with Volvo. Volvo had a beautiful to short circuit their thought. It's a steel bench. And to the positive, yeah. Oop. And I've got 16.05 or 16 mega ohms. Is definitely over 1 mega ohm in it. It's probably tested that one as well, because if that fuse, that is an insulation test. So what we've done to have a very, very high resistance.
Yep.
Dead simple, isn't it, really? Stay there. That's it, there you go. Hold it. Don't touch the metal with your fingers though, because it might tickle. This on. The current. You alright? Yeah, good.
Negative.
You just get a negative reading. It'll still read. It'll
16.7.
Okay, 9.
9 volt. Insulated glove. Okay, check date.
You want your gloves? Yeah. You know what I mean? Yes, you have to test both gloves. So inside those battery holes, okay. What have you got there then, Fikri?
0.00.
You know the video because the voltage is zero.
So, okay, tunjuk multimeter.
Understand what I'm doing there, Tom? Yeah.
That one negative. All right. Okay. Nice.
Make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm standing close now, because I don't care. But until you know...
Just push it
No.
and twist.
Chris,
Yeah, video.
Yeah.
Reconnect. Cabut palo.
Okay.
Switch to on the left first.
Switch to faster on.
Yeah, that one.
Hidup. And operation.